Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, everyone. Hello. Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, guys. Let me introduce our group. We are group 10. We will presentation about monitoring patient and degree of comparison. Next slide. We are group 10, Virial, me as moderator, Fajrianti Cahyani, Dewi Komaria, Vira Irvina as operator, and Amelia Sundari. Next.
Monitoring patients. Giving several information connect with monitoring patient which essential for nurse. Giving a list of important vocabularies connect with monitoring patient. Takes your turn. Conversation vital signs. Practice the following the dialogue with your colleagues. Martha and Tina, nurse in a hospital. They are talking about some important things needed to be monitoring during a patient post-operative period. Here is their conversation.
Tina, what are you doing? Martha, I am reading new. It's quite interesting. Look at this. Tina, what is it about? Martha, it's about a new invention in doing medication. Tina, really? What did they find? Martha, a game for medication. Tina, sound great. Anyway, I heard there was a problem with a patient in post-operative period. Is that right? Mata, you mean the kids from France? Tina, that's true. Mata, Mr. Julia found that the patient got a temperature, so she reported to the doctor immediate. Tina, how could such thing happen? Martha, Dr. Andrew said that this caused by an infection. Tina, really? Is everything all right? Martha, everything fine. We are monitoring him careful and he's getting better. We are trying to consider every vital sign, such as temperature, blood pressure, oxygen, pulse, and so on. We just hope he will be discharged soon, Tina, and hopefully no readmission. Next, immediate post-operative care. Post-operative care patient must be monitored and assisted closely for any deterioration in condition, and the relevant post-operative care plan of pathway must be implemented. The report found then patient whose condition was deteriorating implemented were not always in the field are referred of for a higher level of care, patients should be made as comfortable as possible before postoperative checks are performed. Postoperative patients are at risk of clinical deterioration, and it is vital that this is minimized. Knowledge and understanding of the scale of risks and local policies will help reduce potential problem. National Patient Safety against National Institute for Health and Clinical Excellence. Next. Vital signs should be performed in accordance with local policies or guidelines and compliant with the baseline over patient taken before surgery, during surgery, and in the recovery area. Nurse should also be aware of the parameter for this observation and what is normal for the patient under observation, and when assessing patient recovery from anesthesia and surgery, days observation should not be considered in isolation. The nurse should look at and feel the patient. This also applies to children and should include observation of other signs and symptoms. For example, abdominal tenderness or poor urine output, which could indicate deterioration. Royal College of Nursing, the RCN, provide guidance on vital signs formed post-operatively on children. Many truths are known in that vital signs are performed manually to provide more accurate recording and assessment. Here are some vital signs need to be considered in monitoring patients. Next. Supplement. One of the modal verbs in English is should. It has some function such as showing obligation, giving suggestion, or even telling possibly. One of those functions you might find a lot in this chapter is showing obligation. For example, this also applies to children and should include observation of other signs and symptoms. Modal verb should must be followed by infinitive. In Indonesia, normal we translate intro sebaiknya atau seharusnya. Airway and respiration rate and Feinstein is often the first vital sign to be offered. Is there is then cardiac or neurological state. It is therefore imperative that its observation is performed accurately. However, study so it is often omitted or poorly assessed. Nurse sought offers and record the following: 1. Airway. 2. Respiratory rate regular and effortless. Written and deep chest movements symmetrical. 3. Respiratory depression indicates by ventilation or breathing and whether appropriate induced or due to anything case. Next. Oxygen therapy. Oxygen is administered to enable the anesthetic gases to be transported out of the body and is pressured when patient have epidural, patient controlled analgesic or morphine infusion. Nurse should ensure and record the following: 1. Oxygen therapy is pressured. 2. Oxygen is administered at correct rate. 3. Continuous oxygen therapy is modified to prevent mucous membranes from drying out. 4. The skin above the ears is processed from elastic on the mics. Pulse oximetry. Oxygen saturation should be above 1 air unless the patient has long distance monitoring above. If oxygen therapy is pressured, the prevent hypoxia or hypoxemia, and abnormal recording may be due to suffering peripheral vasoconstriction or bright blood on the finger. Nurse should ensure that 1. The finger probe is clean. 2. The position of the probe is changed regularly to prevent finger becoming sore. Next. Heart rate, blood pressure, and capillary refill time. The following should be patient and record one rhythm and volume of pulse, 2 blood pressure, 3 Kepler refill time to assess circulatory status along with the color and temperature of limb. Also, identifying reduced pericardial perfusion. Pericardial tension should be pinned to the systolic blood pressure as a lowered systolic reading and tachycardia may indicate hemorrhaging and the or shock. Although intuitively the blood pressure may not drop and will remain within normal limits as the body compresses. Tachycardia may also indicate that the patient is in pain, has a foot overload, or is anxious. Hypertension can be due to the anesthetic or intellectual pain control. Body temperature. Children, older adults, and patients who have been in treatment for a long period are at risk of hypothermia. Shivering can be due to anesthesia or a low temperature indicative of an infection, whilst a drop in schooling and action taken to return into within normal parameters. 1. Use arbeit hunger for 5 air blanket and blankets to warm the patient if her temperature is too low. 2. Use an appropriate method to cool the patient if their temperature is too high. Any treats, fanning, tipping spoon. Next. Level of consciousness. Post-operative patients should respond to verbal stimulation, be able to answer questions, and be aware of their surroundings before being transferred to the ward and throughout the post-operative period. A change in the level of consciousness can be a sign that the patient is in shock. The AFU scale box 2 is appropriate for assessing consciousness in adult children and young people unless they have had gerontology. Next.
Fluid balance. Nurse should observe or undertake and record on the fluid balance chart the following. 1. IV fluids, colloids, and crystalloids used to replace fluid loss post-operatively and infusions. 2. Oral intake. 3. Urine output catheter. Urine measurement should not be less than 0.5 millimeters per kilogram per hour. Oliguria can be a sign of hypovolemia and should be reported to medical staff immediately. Check that the catheter is knocking or that the patient is not lying on the tubing if urine output is reduced. 4. Color of stomach. Wear appropriate and whether there is any bleeding. 5. Nausea and vomiting. If necessary, administration of antiemetic should be checked and vomit bowls and tissue should be within easy reach of the patient. 6. Oral care. 7. Nasogastric to drainage. Aspire if patient feels nauseous unless otherwise indicated. 8. Color and amount of wound drainage. Large amount of fresh blood could be an indication of hemorrhage. If there is no wound drainage, it is advisable to check that the drain has not fallen out. Next. Intravenous infusions. The RCN 2010 and Health Protection Scotland 2012 recommended peripheral venous catheter (PVC) are checked daily as a minimum and consideration given to removing any PVC that has been in situ longer than 72 hours. Health Protection Scotland 2012 or 72 to 96 hours. Department of Health 2011. A fly-by-test scale can be used to help assess the PVC site. The Visual Infusion Fly-by-test scale, Jackson 1998, is frequently used and recommended by the RCN 2010. These national guidelines should be used as resources in caring for PVC. The following should be checked and recorded. 1. The PVC site when changing IV fluids before administering IV medication. 2. Sign of phlebitis, redness, heat, and swelling. Next. B. Word power, words connected with monitoring patient. Words and meaning. Number 1 is abnormality atau kelainan ketidaknormalan, anesthetic atau obat bius, blood pressure atau tekanan darah, capillary atau pembuluh darah, consciousness atau kesadaran, coordination, koordinasi, deterioration, penurunan kondisi kesehatan, fail atau turun, fluid balance atau keseimbangan cairan, heart rate atau detak jantung, heat, panas, monitor atau mengamati, observation atau pengamatan, observe, mengamati, paralyze, melumpuhkan, parameter atau parameter, perform, melaksanakan, phlebitis, radang urat darah, post-operative, sesudah pembedahan, pre-medication, pemberian obat sebelum operasi, pulse, denyut nadi, recovery, kesembuhan, recovery room, ruang pemulihan, redness, kemerahan, and respiratory system, sistem pernapasan. Next. D. Reading time. Read the following passage, then answer the question. Blood pressure. Blood pressure, BP, refers to the pressure exerted by blood against the arterial wall. It is influenced by cardiac output, peripheral, vascular resistance, blood volume, and viscosity, and vessel wall elasticity. Fetzer, 2006. BP is an important vital sign to measure as it provides a reflection of blood flow when the heart is contracting systole, and relaxing diastole. It is also one of many indicators of cellular oxygen delivery. Next. Change or trend in BP may pathophysiology or the body's attempts to maintain homeostasis. A drop in BP, for example, has been found to be a common sign in patients prior to cardiac arrest, Rich, 1999. A change in BP alone, though, does not indicate that the patient will have a cardiac arrest, but should trigger the nurse to perform a more detailed assessment. The importance of measuring BP accurately cannot be emphasized, and yet it is one of the most inaccurately measured vital signs. Pickering et al. 2005. If a BP reading consistently understimes the diastolic pressure by 5 mm Ig, it could result in two-thirds of hypertensive patients being denied preventative treatment. McAllister and Strauss, 2001. Heavy clinical workloads or nurse-patient ratios may result in nurse using automated BP monitors to save time. Inadequate psychomotor skill, lack of confidence, or local culture may also contribute to their us. However, using automated BP monitors significantly increase the risk for misjudgment error. In a study of 95 patients comparing digital and Aneroid monitor with sphygmomanometer, only 34% of systolic blood pressure measures with a digital device were within 5 mm Ig of the sphygmomanometer. Johnson et al., 1999. Next.
News reading. Hospital readmissions have always been a concern but have taken up a new significance in light of newly accessibility rules and finance. Students have found one factor that can help reduce readmissions is scheduling physician assistant for follow-up visit at a patient home after surgical procedures. However, not every hospital can provide this type on concert service, and some patients don't like close enough to the hospital to allow for a personal visit. Remote monitoring is one of the most promising ways technology can potentially improve patient care while also improving efficiency related to cost and time. One example of the success of such programs are If&A, Rockford of Rockford, Islware, as heard if outcome reported healthy system professionals implement a remote monitoring program to track patients with cognitive heart failure. Remote monitoring often used application for smartphone of fitness track to send vital signs and other information to healthcare providers for monitoring to anticipate episodes that require treatment. In fact, and global market for biosensors to monitor health project is projected to $15 billion announced by 2030. Next. Now VitaConnect has launched a new single-as fill and stack health monitoring VitaPack M that delivers clinical grade assurance in a diffusible questionnaire to improve the remote monitoring process for patients and help reduce hospital readmissions. Patients can stick it to their desk-like beds and wear it for up to their days at time, send 24/7 feedback and seek infection or other complications are not. Patients can be called in for a follow-up appraisement and ideally avoid readmission as a result. From hospital to home, medical grade will read beyond the sort have enormous potential to improve patient outcome while lowering health costs. Said VitaConnect Crime and DEO Dr. Nersi Nazari, earth of use and minimal disrupt to a stable clinical routine are clinical of rapid action of their defeat in patient care shaping. Power by VitaConnect proprietary Vital Corprosecor, the lightweight virus and have pets continuously monitor and record single-lead electrodiogram or ECG, heart rate, heart rate, reviewability, respiratory rate, skin temperature, posture, step count, and fall detection to make health decision and enable timely intervention. The fully described defense have a streamlined, flexible profile that is announcement during a patient's activity of daily living. With the VitalPads, patient might be monitoring at any location where continuity monitoring offers the opportunity early detection of patient deterioration and early intervention by care teams. Next. Degree of compassion. Definition from degree of compassion. Degree of compassion is from adjective that used to compare a person of being possession the same quality with another. It is related to the adjective to affirm in the sense the Collins dictionary defines the degree of compassion as the listing of the positive, comparative, and superlative form of an adjective or adverb. In other words, it can be said The one can use the degree of comparison to make a comparison between nouns having comparable quality or qualitas. 2. Degree of comparison adalah bentuk kata sifat yang digunakan untuk membandingkan seseorang atau sesuatu yang memiliki kualitas yang sama dengan yang lain. Ini terkait dengan kata sifat atau kata ketergantungan dalam sebuah kalimat. Kamus Collinus mendefinisikan tingkat perbandingan sebagai daftar bentuk positif, komparatif, dan superatif dari kata sifat atau kata keterangan. Dengan kata lain, dapat dikatakan bahwa seseorang dapat menggunakan derajat perbandingan untuk membuat perbandingan antara kata benda yang memiliki kualitas atau kuantitas yang sebanding. Next. Formula from degree of comparison. 1. Positive degree. In the positive degree, the two things being compared are at the same or comparable level. Therefore, the sensory structure or pattern used as adjective or adverb is type 1, subject 1 plus to be plus as adjective as plus subject 2. Example, you are as handsome as your dad. Type 2, subject 1, verb subject 1 plus verb 1 plus as adverb as plus subject 2 plus verb. Example, Harry runs as fast as Neil does. Next. 2. Comparative degree. Comparative degree explain the one of the two things being compared has the nature of more than the other things. Therefore, adjective or adverb plus or more plus adjective or adverb is used. Type 1 plus type 1 subject 1 plus to be plus adjective plus mean or plus then subject 2. Subject 1 plus be plus adverb plus plus then subject 2 plus V. Example, my dad is cooler than your dad. Zane runs faster than Neil does. Subject 1 plus to be plus more plus adjective plus then subject 2. Subject 1 plus V plus more plus adverb plus then subject 2 plus V. Example, noodle is more delicious than porridge. To Harry speak more charmingly than Lang does. Next. For superlative degree. Superlative degree, which is to explain that the thing being discussed has the most nature among the others, meaning that it can be said that superlative has no equal friend. Therefore, adjective or adverb plus is or most plus adjective or adverb are used. Type 1, subject plus to be plus adjective plus is plus object. Subject plus be plus adverb plus object. Example, my mom is prettiest woman. 2. Louis run the fastest of all the members. Typo 2, subject plus to be plus must plus adjective plus object. 2. Subject plus be plus must plus adverb plus object. Example, noodle is the most delicious food. 2. John speaks most calmly in the class. Next. C. Sample from degree of compression, positive degree. 1. I want to as beautiful as my mother. As my mother. 2. You should practice karate as often as you can. 3. Didn't look as handsome as Arya. Comparative degree. Be careful. The road is more slippery than you think. 2. Learning English is easier than math. 3. Zain runs farther than Neil does. Superlative degree. 1. Sandy is the smartest student in my school. 2. Among the dear basketball players, Benny is the most handsome man. 3. John speaks most charming in the class. Next.